Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Gino, your specialist. So we're taking this MoRide CRE 3000 out, and we're going to put this bad boy right here in. This is the new Dexter Easy Flex. It's red. You can see how it's two parts. It's greasable. It's much thicker. It's still got a dampener in it. These two pieces pivot and can close instead of this teeter-totter. So this one's basically just going to pivot this way. A lot of the times when we're seeing these people, they can only pivot so much. It'll actually tear the housing on here, which then spreads it open and then causes these bushings that are in here to jump up and down and shear right off, and then they get a lot of slop in them and play. So we're going to basically take that kit out. We're going to put this guy in there. It's got thick shackle links and stuff as well. Everything's in here in the box, as you can see. All the anti-seize and all the bushings, and he's going to replace that. And then I think we're also doing, you said, some leaf springs on it too, because I think earlier when the weight was on this, the leaf springs were pretty flat. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. I'll try to come back and catch Gino as he gets ready to install this. Thanks again for watching. Dustin and Gino, your RV specialist.